Hello class. I would like you guys to take notes on a few of these examples. So our introduction to inequalities, please take notes on these 4 different types of equalities we're going to talk about. The first one is x is less than 3. So the sign in the middle there means less than, and now we're going to graph it. So when you graph, you need a line with arrows at the end of each side. And I'm going to have you guys draw this on your paper as well. And then whenever I can, I like to include 0. And then since 3 is the number we're interested in, we're going to go at least one number to the right of it. X is less than 3. So we're going to put a dot right on 3, or right above it. And we want all the numbers that are less than 3. So in this case, it's all the numbers this way. 2, 1, 0, -1, 2.5, 2.99. All of these numbers work. They're all solutions to this inequality. If I go too fast at any point, just pause the video and catch up. Our next sign is x is greater than 3. So we'll do a number line again. Still an open dot, and now we want all the numbers greater than 3. 3.1, 3.2, 4, 5, a million, etc. So less than and greater than both have an open dot. Okay, our next two are x is less than or equal to 3, and x is greater than or equal to 3. Underlining it adds the or equal to option. When we graph it, we color in the dot to say 3 is also the solution. There's no longer a hole there. When there's a hole, it means really, really close to 3, but not 3. So if it's greater than or equal to 3 on this bottom one, color in the dot. 3 is included, as is everything greater than or equal to. Please get these 2 examples in your notes as well. So for less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, they both have closed dots. Whereas our other ones had the open dots. Okay, so you can just watch this one if you want. We're asked to graph the inequality x is greater than or equal to -2. So I know my dot is going to be on -2. Since it's greater than or equal to, we can color in our dot, because -2 is also a solution. Values that are less than -2 are on the left, greater than are on the right. So all of these numbers on the right would be solutions to this inequality. Okay, now I would like you to try graphing x is less than 5. Please pause the video, make a number line, and graph. So my first question is, what type of dot did you pick at 5? The correct answer is you should have an open dot at 5. Okay, so then which way did you make your arrow go? To the left or to the right? If you did it correctly, everything for x is less than 5 should go to the left. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is write an inequality given a graph. So if we start with x, that's supposed to be an x. We have a shaded point, a closed point, so it's going to be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Since it's to the right, the arrow, we are going to do x is greater than or equal to, and it starts at 1, so 1. Our next example has an open dot, and it goes to the left. So we'll do x is less than 3. Okay, what would this inequality be? If you said x is greater than -2, you got it. Good luck today. See y'all next time.